Custom Cruisers Panhead here. This is an FL again, same as the shovel. So the exhaust goes down here, right underneath. You can see here. Okay, so it comes underneath here, goes thin there, flatten out here, then joins up, goes up there. So this is why you can't fit a normal traditional exhaust that come out of here, down here, and obviously it won't work because of the boards and the brake lever. Always wondered why, but beautiful Panhead here. You can see here, proper survivor fucking jump. Really cool long time. Bangs and all. The other one only got one bang on it, same as the shovel one. It just shows the quality of these old bikes. Got a generator on the front, whereas that Indian had one on the back. Didn't get any sort of video on the right. Got one right on the back. It's always been a bit of an argument as to whether the FX exhaust will fit NFL. You can see here with the brake lever and the floorboards, it has to snake underneath the bike, which is why the powder coat, you can see on this shovel and all, exactly the same thing. Pretty much the same as Panhead, to be honest with you. Different heads. You can see the exhaust again, same routing underneath the bike. It comes along here and then up to the rear cylinder. So same prop on both these bikes. Evo obviously is completely different. The boards are completely different. FXR, for instance, have a completely different system. So the exhaust on the outside and the boards stick out more. Cracking by and all this old shovel head here. Nice, beautiful old thing. Fucking well made or what. Just out the bits from the pans and shovels and knuckles, whatever it is. It's a Valvo 1773835. Was it? CustomCruisers.com. On the new side, if you want to check it out, 43,000 parts. Custom-Cruisers.myshopify.com. It will be coming to you, CustomCruisers.com.